Hello friends, welcome to Healthify with Dr. Niyati. A question has come in Healthify with Dr. Niyati WhatsApp groups. These groups are generally closed groups all throughout the week. I open them on Sundays between 8 to 12. A very nice question has been asked that doctor, how much water should we drink? How should we drink it? Is refrigerated water advisable or not? And if I'm a diabetic, then what can I have? Sharbats? Can I have coconut water? So this question is really in depth, and I thought that this requires an answer in depth too. So I've come with this video on water, when, how. So the first thing is that many people advise against drinking refrigerated water. I am of this opinion that don't drink water directly, chilled water from the fridge. Rather, fill half a glass with ordinary water and half a glass with chilled water. If we drink such water, then your thirst gets quenched. The importance is that our thirst should get quenched. So if we drink half glass of such water in an hour, say after every 15 minutes or after every 20 minutes or after half an hour, it does the same work as maybe 2 or 3 glasses would do if you drank plain ordinary water. Because it doesn't quench our thirst, what happens is you tend to drink more water and the stomach gets filled with water. Now what is Ayurveda said is that in the seasons starting from March, April, May, June, July, August on till September, that is in the Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu and Varsha Rutu, our energies are the lowest. Because our energies are the lowest, we need nourishment. So we need good nourishing food. If our stomach gets filled with water, then how are we going to eat nourishing food? So it's a good idea to drink half glass of mixed water and quench your thirst and then eat good nourishing food. Along with that, soups are a good idea. So if you're a diabetic, you can't drink like lemon sharbat or these squashes. So soups are a good idea because they're nourishing. They have the essential salts. You don't need the sugars, so they are very helpful. Fruits in moderation are helpful. Coconut water has a lot of sugar and 80 calories too. So if you're a diabetic, I wouldn't advise you to have coconut water immediately after exercise. You can have coconut water, say you're having a very light lunch, which has a lot of fiber, like stir fry vegetables and maybe a few pieces of fish or chicken along with it. Then you can have maybe 150 ml of chilled coconut juice. Chilled means you keep it in the fridge for some time and then maybe 10 minutes you remove it from the fridge before you drink it. So such coconut juice is a good idea. Also juicy fruits, like I said, in moderation are good. Moong water and rice congee is also a very good idea. How they nourish us, I have spoken about it in details in the video that's I've made on how do we get cold and cough in summer and how do we handle it, is a very nice question which I have answered, and in that I've spoken about rice congee and moong water. So I'm not speaking about it in details, but I would like to tell you that these are also sources of fluids that are going to go and increase the fluid in our body. So remember, water is not the only fluid. Fluids in other forms are also advisable. Water kept in bowls or in a bucket near you in places where you're not, which are not hot and humid, is also a helpful factor. So getting up in the morning and having how to have water is another video which I'm going to come up with. So do watch that video also, because there are many misconceptions. Also remember, if you're thinking of drinking squashes or sharbats which are made out of jaggery, then please do not do that. Jaggery is as harmful as sugar to a diabetic, because of a lot of jaggery tea stalls that have come up in the recent months, or I would say recently in a couple of years. Diabetes has really blown beyond capacity especially in the cities where this type of jaggery tea is available. So jaggery tea is not a good idea, and sugars are also not a good idea. So try doing all the things that I have spoken about in this video. Watch the other videos about Beat the Heat this year and have a lovely hot season. Now there are other certain things that you can add into your water, like we know Vala, that is a kind of a grass which is available in all the Ayurvedic shops. Khus, which we call as khus, Khus. Not the khus essence, but khus, like it's like a grass. It is available in all the Ayurvedic shops. You can put it in water. The water is already cool, but khus along with water makes it even colder, and you have a very nice sensation when you drink that water. Even basil seeds, that is sabja seeds or tulsi seeds, is a good idea in water to cool the water further. So this is the way to drink water in this summer. Drink water in this way, beat the heat, and live a healthy life. Do tell me how you found this video in the comment box. And if you have any queries, you could call me on my number. I've left it in the description box. If you need any medication also, I give medication to people who do not live in Mumbai also over a video call, and then the medicines are couriered to them. And so don't forget to send me your comments. Thank you.